This is the Intel processor Core i3. This is the model of this laptop. Okay, and this laptop problem is power is not turning on. Press the power button, but it's not turning on. Okay, today I'll pick this laptop. Let's start. Let's open it. And after opening this motherboard, here is so many dust on the motherboard, and here a huge dust in this cooling fan. Okay, plug in this. Here is charging light is illuminated. Press the power button, but no power. .98 volt is present, and you can see this here. Voltage is okay. I need to find out the 5 voltage. 3 voltage. Present. Okay, check some capacitor of the circuit. Here is any short circuit or not, but this is the low ohms resistance, that is okay. Here is some capacitor, no short circuit. Okay, this is the also resistor. This okay, no short circuit. This one resistance, okay. This one is the coil, L coil. This is the capacitor, okay. Okay. No short circuit. And check this inductor. Here is any short circuit or not. No short circuit here. No. No short circuit. Check here. Here is no short circuit. This one. No. Here is a short, this one is short showing, this one also showing short, and this is the capacitor. Now here is a no short circuit, here is also no short circuit. Yes, this one is shorted. Its value is 6 ohms, 6 ohms or 7 ohms. Okay, yep, cooling fan is spinning and power is turned on, and you can see this here. Power rate also cool on. Okay, let's check the display. this will also come. See this. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Now I am fitting this laptop.